Hi everyone and welcome to Maddie Makes. So today I'm here with my sisters, Tilly and Charlie. So today we are actually making these little Easter eggs for Easter, and we have paint, glitter, the eggs and a paintbrush. So, oh yeah, we also have these gems. We're going to be decorating our Easter eggs and hopefully they'll look really cool.
Yeah. Let's get started.
So I'm going to start my eggs, and I'm going to do the first one, this guy. And I'll paint him, I think, with, I think I'll paint him with these two colours, and we'll see what the others will do.
So guys, I'm just doing some pink at the minute. Like, let's do it there and over there. Go some yellow. So, I'm painting sort of a zigzag colour with yellow. And then I'll probably at the end put some of these on it. Charlie, I'll leave mine.
Alright, so we've all finished our eggs. I'll say mine first. So I just did one blue egg, just like this. So that's my first egg.
Yeah, and I'll show you mine next.
So Charlie did this like stripy pattern. It looks really cool.
It's a yellow stripy pattern and the rest is pink. So guys,
and then this is Tilly's egg.
So I had a multi one with all the colours like that.
I think that looks really cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go on to the next egg.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do for my next egg, I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do like some stripy kind of like yellow. And that should look pretty cute, so I'm going to do that.
So guys, I'm doing some all the colours but a different pattern this time. So I'm doing mine all blue. And I think they'll look really cute with my striped one.
Alright, so we finished our second egg, and I'll show you mine first.
And my second.
I did stripes, like just yellow stripes. I think it's quite cute. Yeah.
So next is mine. So I just did some pink, stripy, spotty one.
So this is Tilly's.
And mine is just an all blue egg. Right. Let's get on to the last egg! The last one I'm doing.
Alright, for the last egg, I'm gonna do like a pink, like colourful kind of egg. I think I'm gonna do like maybe just dots of pink or just a full pink egg. I think I'm gonna do a full pink egg. I think that will look pretty cute. Let's go.
So guys, I hadn't started yet because I'm so excited. I'm just so waiting.
What are you gonna do?
So I'm doing like a dinosaur egg, but all the white bits at the moment I'm gonna cover with a different color.
After a quick costume change, I'm ready to show my last egg. Let's show them, guys.
Okay.
So I just did like a little pink egg, and I'm really impressed by that. It looks really pretty.
I did just the rainbow egg thing, and it's super cool.
So it's like
that.
this. It looks really cool.
And I did this spotty dinosaur egg, which looks really cool.
Did you show them?
So
Alright.
guys, it's time
Now it's time to decorate with little stickers and
we're going
glitter.
to order.
And we're really excited, so let's go. Now I'm going to show you
the final result!
Hi everyone! Today's video was so much fun to film, and I loved hanging out with my sisters. If you guys liked today's video as well, please give me a big thumbs up. I would also really be happy if you could subscribe. I would be so happy, over the moon. So bye, thanks for watching.